Come on, guys. When it goes off, you got to dive down and get them. Here we go. Oh, here we go. You get it open, I'll get more open. The dogs are barking. That's why there's windows. Look at them all. If I could get 10 of them landed on here, this would be awesome. Getting excited. Let's go tomato. He's a tomato guy. Here we go. Look at him. Look at you. Let's keep going. We're going for holes. Give it a hole down here. Here it goes. Here they go. Oh my goodness, look at all these birds. What are they doing? Florentino. I have no idea what they're doing. What's going on here, Florentino? Everything's okay here with anything else? Everything's good. We need more sandwiches. What you want to? Yeah. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, baby. One more cola. That's all right. No, I'm okay. That's okay. Thank you very much for serving us. I'll let you take this one. I'm gonna eat this sandwich. Oh, here, I got some more eating to do here. Trying to break it up. Thank you.
Is this lunch on soul formation?
He did very well. I forgot a lot. No, it's not. You're not that generous. All right, here they go. Bacon. Take the lettuce, dude. Take the lettuce. Fight over each other.
Come on, keep going.
You should hang on to it. Yeah, I dare you to hang on to it. Nobody's landing.
Oh, they're...
Yeah, they're landing. There's stuff down below.
Look at all these birds.
Lemons. See if they go with lemons. That's awesome.
The whole lunch.
You can take a lemon.
Yeah. Feed him out of your hand, dude. Let him bite out of your hand.
Well, that was not.
He dropped it.
He didn't follow
He
through
did
with
not
that one.
want that
He
at
got
all.
the last of the fries. Give him some more lemon.
Dude, let him feed it straight out of your hand, man.
Yeah, straight out of your hand. Come on, Rachel. Hey,
Come on, dude. Do it.
You go to the hospital.
Do it. Come on. It's live for all the world to see.
Oh. You got ketchup on there. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Thank you.